My name is Shari, and I have two boys who are 10 years old and 12 years old. So for my older son, he generally does really well with his homework. He can get a little anxious if he's not understanding what's being asked of him. My younger son has a little bit of a harder time getting started. They both ask very different things of me. I absolutely think it's really important for them to be more autonomous, and so that's what I strive for during homework time. So I've come up with some tricks along the way that helps encourage my children to be more independent with their homework. So one of those is just getting them set up at the table, but then making myself busy. Doesn't matter if I don't actually have anything else to do. My instructions that I give them are pretty clear, and it's simple. It's open your book to the page that you have the homework and start reading. So it can happen sometimes that they'll find something too difficult and then kind of want to give up right away. It's too hard. I'm there to encourage a lot. I'm there to let them know that they're not supposed to have all the answers right away. That's the point of the homework. So another tip that I think is really important is to give your children responsibilities that are within their age. I also really like giving my children a calendar. It helps to create that independence in them, that they know what's expected of them and when. I believe that the advantages for my children becoming more independent are really important because I really do believe that this sets them up for success down the road in life. So I encourage all parents to go and take a look at the Allo Prof Parents website. They have so many tips and tricks to help parents help their children become more autonomous.